If you need to export a Lucidchart diagram as a PNG, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to download your Lucidchart file as a PNG image, and I'll also show you the key export settings you should check before saving. This is really useful if you want to share a diagram, upload it to a presentation, add it to a document, or use it somewhere that needs an image format instead of an editable chart. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the document that contains the diagram you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that the diagram is fully loaded on the canvas. If you have multiple documents, take a second to confirm you've opened the right one before exporting so you don't accidentally save the wrong file. Once your document is open, look to the top left area of the Lucidchart canvas. You should see the main menu icon, which is usually the three horizontal lines. Click that menu to open the available options. This is where Lucidchart keeps a lot of the file actions, including exporting and downloading. After the menu opens, hover over or select Export. A submenu should appear with different export formats. From there, choose PNG. PNG is a great choice when you want a clear image with good quality and transparency support in many cases, depending on your settings and use case. Now Lucidchart will open the export settings window. This is where you can customize how your PNG file will be generated, and these settings matter because they affect the final look of the image. One of the first options you'll want to review is crop. You can usually choose full canvas if you want the entire document area exported, or crop to content if you only want the diagram itself without extra white space around it. If you need something more specific, Lucidchart may also offer a custom crop option so you can control exactly what gets included. Next, check the quality or resolution settings. Depending on your version and export options, you may see choices like screen quality or print quality. If you're planning to use the PNG on the web or in a slide deck, screen quality may be enough. If you want a sharper image for printing or higher resolution use, choose the higher quality option if it's available. Taking a moment here can make a big difference in how professional your final image looks. If your diagram is large or detailed, pay extra attention to the crop and quality combination. A wide diagram exported with the wrong settings can end up too small, too blurry, or include unnecessary empty space. So if the first export doesn't look right, go back and adjust the settings before downloading again. That's one of the easiest ways to get a cleaner result without having to redo the whole diagram. When everything looks good, click the download button. Lucidchart will generate the PNG and save it to your device. Depending on your browser, the file may appear in your downloads bar or be saved directly into your default downloads folder. Once it finishes, you can open the PNG and verify that the diagram exported correctly. If the image looks too zoomed out, too cropped, or lower quality than expected, just repeat the process and change the export settings. The nice thing about Lucidchart is that you can quickly re-export until it looks exactly how you want it. That makes it easy to create a clean PNG for email, documentation, team sharing, or presentations. And that's it, you've now learned how to export Lucidchart as a PNG. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the export menu is and which settings to check. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software walkthrough you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.